Activating a T Mobile hotspot is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, ensure that your device is compatible with T Mobile's hotspot service and that you have a data plan that includes hotspot access. First, go to the T Mobile website and log in to your account to verify that your plan includes hotspot access. If your plan does not include hotspot access, you can upgrade or change your plan to one that does. Next, locate the hotspot settings on your device. For Android devices, go to Settings, then Connections, then Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. For iOS devices, go to Settings, then Cellular, then Personal Hotspot. Once you have located the hotspot settings, toggle the switch to enable the hotspot. You will then be prompted to set a network name and password for your hotspot. Choose a unique and secure name and password to protect your hotspot from unauthorized access. After setting up your hotspot, you can connect to it using any device with Wi-Fi capabilities. Simply search for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your hotspot's network name and enter the password you created. It is essential to note that using your device as a hotspot can consume a significant amount of data. So be sure to monitor your data usage and adjust your settings accordingly. You can do this by setting a data limit or by switching to a lower data speed when your limit is reached. Best practices for using a T Mobile hotspot include keeping your device and hotspot software up to date, using a secure network name and password, and being mindful of your data usage. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy fast and reliable internet access on the go with your T Mobile hotspot.